Hi there. In this video, I want to introduce a new project that I'm really excited about. It's called LibreOrganize. It is all free and open source software that was built by a tech cooperative, worker-owned cooperative called Nova Web Development. And Nova Web Development has been working with local unions and progressive organizations for quite a while now. And over the course of that time, they've learned what makes for a good, helpful website for unions and other progressive groups. And from that information, they have put together a really great tool called LibreOrganize. You can go to LibreOrganize.org here to learn more about the project. And so I'm going to show you how easy it is to get set up with just some simple command line knowledge. So yeah, let's dive in. So we'll go to the code repository, which is hosted here at GitLab, and head on over to the installation instructions here in the README. So first step, as one would expect, is to clone the repository. So hop over to my terminal. This is where I keep all my projects, and I will clone LibreOrganize. All right, and as you can see, we've got all of the files installed. So back over to the README. Second step, move into the LibreOrganize directory, which I've already done. Step 3, create a virtual environment. So LibreOrganize is built on Python, so you will need Python installed. If you don't, then you'll get a helpful little prompt telling you to install it and how to do that. Next, we will activate our virtual environment. Okay, we are ready to go. So we will install our dependencies using pip, which is a Python installer. And again, if you don't have pip installed, then you'll get a prompt telling you how to do so. And I'm on Linux, so the steps might be a little different for, well, the steps will be the same, but you'll need a working terminal and whatnot for Mac or Windows. There's a couple of errors that come up that kind of concerned me when I first installed it, but here you can safely ignore any errors about bdist_wheel, which is what all of these errors are about. Then there is a LibreOrganize subdirectory, which I will move into, and now I can apply the migrations using this migrate command. And now we will create a super user. This is a user account we'll use to log into our LibreOrganize site. So be sure to record these credentials you put together in your password manager. We will load the initial data, so the home page and other kind of default pages and content. And now we've got LibreOrganize installed. We'll skip over how to customize a theme. We'll just use the stock theme for now. And so to get the server up and running, we run python manage.py run server. And boom, we've got a site up in just a couple of minutes. Hover over here to log in. These are the credentials that you put in before to create that super user, and voila, here we are. And we can go here to the dashboard to see all of the different features that LibreOrganize has. And I'll stop here and just wanted to show you how easy it is to get it installed locally and up and running to play around with. You can get involved with the project once again by going to LibreOrganize.org, and there read the documentation, contact for Nova Webb, who's behind LibreOrganize. Yeah, really encourage everyone to check it out. It's a really great example of movement technology, and super excited that it's out there. It's a new project, but it already has a lot of really helpful features. It's being used in the wild to power several different union sites and other progressive organization sites, and it's being actively developed. So really encourage you to check it out and support it however you can. Thanks for watching.